What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video I want to review that new Tengen we just got. They sold like hotcakes. Pre-orders, man, crazy. Also, if I'll try to show you those bearings on trucks today, but if it's not really good, I'll make another video with very close view. All right, so cool. GT, love it. Yeah, more coming. So, and thank you guys for allowing me to review your models, which is really nice. I did a lot of work on installation, so I very nice clean my it's really nice, two of my workbenches. So there we go. So now I can have a little bit fun, and I'm inviting you because I'm going to do installations online. DCC Train live channel, link in will be in description, and I'll send it also in the put the comments. Also, right corner, you know, those YouTube cards. Packaging, love it, nice. Means you're paying good money for it. But sometimes you're paying good money and not getting good stuff, but this is good. So first of all, I just want to show you quick here before I pull it. That will be for screenshot. Nice. Means I don't think so I need to comment anything. It's just like absolutely precise, everything great. Prints means you can read everything. So let me pull it. Yeah, that's what I did before. Very nice. Yeah, that's solid package. The all information about the car, it's actually in the back of the box. I don't know why I expected print, but I think we're going paperless anyway. So I hope camera is not getting crazy of those walkthrough, super detailed, see-through everything. Scale couplers, nice. All this stuff. I used to use those gloves, but just be careful when you start using them. They might catch, like, be careful with the corners of the sharp edged thing, can catch easily. Even they like high quality, very nice gloves anyway. So I found a way how to capture it like that and flip it around. Yeah, that's just awesome. All right, I'll try to demonstrate. Yeah, means all those hoses, everything. Cut levers, man, extra hoses, all that stuff. See-through, that stopping plate, just unbelievable. So yeah, here we go. Look, just give me a second. I'll put it on my test track. One moment. Just put DCC Train logo. Oh, I hope it will catch. Some of them painted, sometimes it's not painted, but anyway, we'll try. See on the side. So here we go. Try to slowly. I should put like locomotive. to do it. Yeah, so yeah, they're rolling. Depends on the car, of course. Some of them painted means in real life, and the manufacturers of the model replicated it like 100%. So here we go. Beautiful. That's really nice. Great job, Tangent. Really great job. All right, guys, that will be all for today. Quick review. Thanks for supporting business. Thanks for supporting channel. If you would like to support channel, you can join membership. There is like a join button under every single video. Thanks again, guys. We really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.